Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have this equation. We need to find about f of number 0. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So we have the formula of this one and this one. For example, we have the function from, we have the integration from a to b, and we have f of t dt. So if we do first derivative f of s, we have first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t. So we have f of b minus, we need to do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 will change for t. Now we can apply the formula for this one and this one. So we have like this. So first derivative of s, we have number 1. This one we keep the same, and the second one so this one we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2s. This one we have number 1. Now we simplify. This one you got number 0. We cancel. This one we put on the left, and we can see that they cancel. Now we just have only this one, and now we put this one go to the left, and we have f of s equals to negative 65 plus 10e to the power of s. Now we need to find this one. So I will put number 0 cone here. And we have negative 55. This is the end. Thank you for watching.